Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. You guys, I did this before, but I made a mistake and delete my video of me grounding my rice into fine grains like this. So I'm going to do this before I get to washing, exfoliating my face, with the white rice grain. Okay, and this is what it looks like, but I'll explain to you in the other video, well, coming up. So I'm just going to ground up some rice, okay? And also before I delete the video, before I deleted the other video, I was telling you guys, if you have like little small jars like this, I have the pimento jars and the baby food jars. And you can also, paint the top for decorations if you, prefer. So I'm just going to keep these jars of what I put in it into my cabinet. So no need of me, decorating it, but it's up to you. Always keep the little jars because you never know what you may, use them for. So what I'm going to do is to ground up some white rice. In my other video, I mentioned it will give you that clean, youthful look. If your skin feeling soft and you have that youthful look. So I will explain that in the video coming up. So I'm just going to use about this much. Before I just used a cup, but I'm just going to use about 1/4 cup. Okay. And I am using my ultimate chopper. And it's going to really grind it really fine. And this is how fine I want it to look. Okay. All right. And I will put it into this little baby food jar. So I will give this to my daughter so that she can exfoliate her skin. So if you want to see how I exfoliate my skin, stay tuned for the next scene. I am here tonight to exfoliate my skin, my face. using white rice. I place rest of the grind up rice in this baby food jar. Okay, and here is the rest. Because I'm going to use the remaining that couldn't fit in here. I'm going to use the rest of this. Yes, yes, yes. So let me show you all how I am going to use it. First, I'm going to finish removing this makeup off my face. I went to church tonight, and it is my pastor anniversary. Yes, his 9th year. So let me finish wiping this makeup off my face first. And this is what I am using. Okay. Okay, I finished wiping the makeup off my face. And you guys, I'm gonna list everything down below what the white rice scrub does for your face. I'm going to exfoliate my skin. So I'm going to list everything down below, what it does and how it will benefit your skin. So all I know is supposed to brighten and soften your skin, give you that youthful look. So I'm going to try it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my EVOO by Karen Original Serene Facial Cleanser. I'm going to use this soap. I got this soap from TJ Maxx, I believe. I got this soap, this facial soap from TJ Maxx. And I am going to put a little in my hand and mix it up with this rice, you know, grain. So, okay, pour a little in my hand. I'm going to wet my face. I'm going to put a little water in my hand too. Okay. And you sure enough can feel the grain within the soap. Gonna give my face a good scrubbing. I'll be right back. I'm going to rinse this off. Okay, now I'm going to spray some rice water as my facial toner. And I have this little container here this little bottle with the sprayer on it. I did a haul today, and this was included in my haul that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have my rice water here. Okay, I'm going to pour it over in there. Y'all, it doesn't smell bad. Since I put the peppermint oil and the eucalyptus oil in it, it doesn't smell bad at all. So, okay, now I'm going to spray this on my face. So y'all need to try it, but I will list everything down below, and I will continue to use this day and night up to about 5 days to 10 days. See if you guys can tell a difference in my skin. And I will be giving an update on my hair as well. My hair, facial exfoliant, and toner. All three. So you guys, I just wanted to show you that. And it dries on my skin quick. Dries up on my skin. Okay, I will not use anything else on my face except for this soap while I am exfoliating my skin with this here, you know, right white grain. So I just wanted to have you guys to tune in with me to show you all what I was doing to my face. Okay, just in case you was to ask. So I want to share this with you all. And you guys, please, 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 if you're watching this video or you visiting my channel, this is your first time being here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can continue on, you know, watching the updates on my skin, my hair, or what have you, you know, whatever I'll be doing. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. That way you won't be missing out. Go ahead and thumbs up, comment, share, let everybody know about your girl Happy Dimples 39. I would love to have you to, you know, be a part of my team here on the Happy Dimples 39 channels for the love of beauty. So you guys come back again. Go ahead, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you on maybe tomorrow. Bye-bye. Love you guys. You are loved.